Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you the best Deliveroo promo codes and discount codes in 2026. You can get a Deliveroo discount code for £100 into your account. You can also get tons of free food, so you can get free orders. And yeah, this literally takes a few minutes, uses a working discount code. Before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for money saving methods. And yeah, I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos, so I thought I'd finally show you guys how to get these Deliveroo discount codes. So you need to use your mobile internet browser, so I recommend just using the mobile you have Deliveroo on, and head on over to www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, type it like this, make sure you spell it correctly, and this is basically a coupon code website, and they have game codes and loads of different promo codes and discount codes. So use the search bar to navigate your way to the Deliveroo free credit and food coupons page and scroll down. As I mentioned, you can get a Deliveroo credit code, so you can get £100 into your account, and this actually works worldwide as well. So if you're in Europe, I believe Deliveroo is throughout Europe, so you can get euros or whatever your local currency is. It will just translate to that. And also get your next 3 food orders for free, so you have to calculate which one's going to save you more money. I always select the £100 one, but click on that. And you need to unlock your code, guys. This is because these are limited codes. I mean, there's thousands of codes remaining, but this basically prevents people getting more than one code. So as you can see, this is going to basically allocate you a code, and these are working in 2026 as well. So you're going to be brought to this page, guys. You just need to follow the instructions here. It takes about 5 minutes to unlock your Deliveroo discount code, but it is well worth it considering you're getting £100. So it says complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code, and follow the instructions. So basically you're going to have a list of tasks on this screen, and these are really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games and stuff. They're all completely free. They take about 5 minutes, guys. I've already done this, so I won't waste the code, so I'm going to skip forward. But if you do everything correctly, basically it will bring you back to this page and your full code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in the Deliveroo app or in the website, and that is going to supply you with £100 credit, or you can get your next 3 food orders for free. So go to Robot Coupons and navigate your way to the Deliveroo page here and select which code you want. Make sure you unlock your code, guys. Need any help, let me know. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.